Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to have a go at this problem where we have two square roots. The most obvious looking approach here is to square both sides, but that doesn't work because we'd still end up with a square root. So what are we going to do? Well, the solution's quite easy. We keep the 40 plus x in the square root and we just move this root x to the other side. We now square both sides. This gives us 40 plus x equals 10 minus root x all squared. We still have the 40 plus x, and now let's square this. 10 tens are 100. Then we've got 10 times negative root x twice. So that's negative 20 root x. And then we've got negative root x times negative root x, which is positive x. Now the x's cancel on both sides. We can then bring the 20 root x across. So that becomes 20 root x, and this side is 100 less 40. This then becomes 20 root x equals 60, and then dividing both sides by 20 we get that root x equals 3, and squaring both sides x equals 9. And that's it, that's our answer. Did you get it?